Oh boy, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, do I have a video for you guys today. Man, it is a great day today. Oh my goodness. It is early in the morning. We're getting a early start. Hold on. I gotta stay in the light for y'all. It is an early morning. We are about to head to Charlotte Airport to get on a plane and go to Breckenridge, South Carolina. Awesome. I got my bag packed. And I've got my backpack on. And what the heck? Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And just so you know, this is only my second time ever skiing. And yeah, I forgot to mention we were going skiing. Yeah, we're going skiing in Breckenridge, Colorado. Let's hit it with the travel montage straight into skiing. Alright, here we go. We can go up the Freedom, either one. Yeah, this is a big, basic big 8, I think. Maybe 7. We're heading down to the bottom. I'm going. Thank you. Stuff on. Snow off my sleeves.
some speed in that powder.
Really?
Go ahead, Allie.
I didn't have enough speed to do anything.
There she goes. She doesn't slow down at all.
I know.
It's crazy.
I gotta try to keep my skis together. If I can do that, oh, it'll be all right. You go ahead. What's up?